Up to this point, we've been adding the total revenue field to get us a total revenue number. But there might be occasions when you don't want to add the numbers. Let's say we want to show the average order amount by customer. We'll pull customer into the rows area and then move total revenue into the values area. As we've seen, Excel assumes we want to get a sum of the total revenue field. To get an average, we can right-click on a number in this column and select Value Field Settings. In this box, we see a section titled Summarize Value Field By. In this area, Sum is selected, but you can see a number of other options. Let's select Average and click OK. Now our pivot table is showing us the average order amount by customer. It's taking the total revenue for each customer and dividing it by the number of orders for that customer. We can sort this data as well, and we see that Steve Holt Pest Control is a big spender with us on a per order basis. Let's add another metric to this table to show the number of orders that each customer has done. If we drag the order number into the value area, Excel assumes we want to add up that field as well. We obviously need to change this. In addition to right-clicking directly on the numbers, you can come over to the values area and click down on the order field and select Value Field Settings. To get the number of orders, we can select Count and click OK. Now this table is showing us the number of orders and the average dollar amount per order for each customer.